Let's do our cursive writing practice with the heavyweight champs of the animal world. The heavyweight champion of the animal world is blue whale. It can grow 29 meter and weighs about 136 metric tons. A newborn whale is about 7 meter long and weighs about 2.7 metric tons. The largest living land animal is the African elephant, which is about 3.5 meter at the shoulders and weighs about 5,400 to 6,350 kilograms. However, the undisputed heavyweight champs on land were the dinosaurs. Brachiosaurus was the largest of the dinosaurs. It was about 20 meter long and weighed about 77 metric tons. Learn it to practice.